The first group of classes that we're going to look at are those classes that represent streams. At the root of the stream class hierarchy is the stream class itself. This is an abstract class, which means that we can't instantiate it directly, and this class is the base class for all streams. One of the classes that inherit from the stream class is the FileStream class. As its name suggests, this FileStream class uses individual files as its backing store. We also have the MemoryStream class that inherits from the abstract base stream class, and the MemoryStream class uses memory as its backing store. There's a whole host of other classes that inherit from the stream class. We won't be covering all of these in this course. As you can see, there's quite a few. It's enough to know that we've got this abstract stream base class that other stream classes can inherit from. Recall from earlier in this module, we learned that we can use readers and writers to interact with stream instances. When we're working with binary data, we can make use of the binary reader and binary writer classes. These classes don't have a common base class, they just inherit from system.object. The binary reader class allows us to read primitive types from an underlying byte stream, so it has a number of methods that read byte data from the stream and give us primitive .NET types, such as the read Boolean method that will read bytes and return a Boolean, the read decimal method that will read bytes and return a decimal, the read int16 method that returns a short, and also a number of other methods. The binary writer class allows us to write primitive types to an underlying byte stream, so we've got a number of overloads of this write method that allow us to write primitive types to the underlying stream. If we're working with text data, we have text readers and text writers. The text reader hierarchy starts with the text reader abstract class, so we can't create an instance of a text reader. This abstract base class represents a reader of a sequential series of characters. We have the stream reader and string reader classes that inherit from text reader. The stream reader class reads characters from an underlying byte stream using a specified encoding, and we have methods such as readLine and readToEnd that read bytes from the underlying stream and give us string instances. The string reader allows us to treat a .NET string object as a stream. The string reader class exposes a number of methods, such as the read method that gives us back a character as an int, and also the readLine method that returns a string. And if we want to get all of the text, not just a single line, we can use the readToEnd method. In addition to the text reader class, there's also the text writer class. Once again, this is an abstract base class that represents a writer of a sequential series of characters. And we have the stream writer and string writer classes that inherit from text writer. The stream writer writes characters to an underlying stream using a specified encoding, and it has methods such as write Boolean, write decimal, write int, write char, and a number of other overloads of the write method that allow us to write primitive types as characters to an underlying stream. We also have the string writer class that allows us to write to a string as if we were writing to a stream, and behind the scenes the string writer class uses a string builder. And the string writer class also has overloads of the write method, allowing us to write primitive types such as booleans, decimals, ints, and characters. So now we have an overview of some of the .NET classes involved in stream reading and writing. Let's head over to Visual Studio and we'll see how we can use streams to read and write text data.